Okay, we're going to start with the outer thigh. Take your leg out. You want to keep your heel pointed up, not your toes. So heels up, toes down. Okay, and you're just going to lift straight up towards the ceiling. Yep, just like that. Good. Let's go to the other side. Remember, point your heel up and lift towards the ceiling. Excellent. Okay, we're going to do the inner thighs. So again, you want to lift up, leading with your heels. So just pulse it up. If you need to for balance, go ahead and tap the floor in between your leg lifts. Great, other side. Again, lead with your heel and lift straight up towards the ceiling. Good job. If you don't have your balance yet, go ahead and tap the floor and keep leading with your heels.
Shut up and sit down.
Great job. Okay, you got it? Let's go. Lead with your heel up towards the ceiling. Keep your core engaged to keep your balance. Very good. And right to your inner thighs. Leading with the heels. Excellent. Alright, switch legs. Remember, toes down, heels up. Let's go. Alright, switch to the inner thighs, leading with your heel. Woo, good job. And you're done. Go ahead and shake those legs out, walk them out. Great.